there's a lot of talk about air taxis and flying cars, and there's been a huge amount of investment that's gone into those vehicle programs. But what's been missing so far is the piece that will unlock the value of those programs, and that's the infrastructure. You can't board a plane at the moment without going to an airport, and you can't get off the train or get on the train unless you go to a train station. So that supporting ground infrastructure is absolutely key. So some of our technologies will integrate the vehicle technologies. We'll also have off-grid renewable energy integrated with solar panels and hydrogen fuel cell electric generators. And also the physical infrastructure itself will have a level of autonomous connectivity and features, both for the vehicle integration, but also the way that our infrastructure is actually built and erected.